Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we'll check how to withdraw money from Wise. So let's start. First, let's go to our Wise account and then let's go to send. Okay, so just click here on send. Just select the person that you want to send the money. In this case, just select the person. And when you select the person, just click here on how much you want to transfer. Okay, in this case, this part. Okay, when you select it, just click on done and continue. Okay, so when you continue, this will transfer to your account that you wrote on your Wise, and it will take about maybe 3 hours more or less to arrive there. So I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumb up to this video.